So another thing I can be doing is paint the exhaust manifold I'm using for the underslung exhaust a nice silver. That's the colour they would have been when they left the factory. So iron oxide is on, it's dried for about a week now. So let's get that done. I'm just going to give this a nice original exhaust clamp a bit of a cleaning down with the wire brush. So that's the exhaust clamp painted, and the manifold as well, 2 coats. Now this is designed to vaporize kerosene, so it is meant to be hot, and it'll probably burn off a lot of that, and it won't be seen when I have a cover with the heat shield. Only the bit down for the carb will be seen, so we'll see how it lasts anyway. So I'm going to take off this PTO selector lever side plate, draining some of the oil. As you can see, it's coming out that lower bolt hole, so I'm letting a bit out before I go taking it off, and I want to get that seal out that's leaking. So this is the PTO selector lever plate off. So now I have to tap out that lad there, and the whole lot should come apart. So here it is all stripped down. There's a spring that goes in there. There's a little locator then as well that goes in on top of there, and that locates itself in the middle, neutral, or on ground, or engine PTO. So I'm going to give all these a good clean up. Firstly, I'm going to tap out the seal. Should push out from the inside here.